Finally, Pradam 2 sees he's wrong, guys. He decided to apologize to Casper, guys. All along it was that they were just joking and all that stuff until Casper Nyovest blocked him on all social media platforms. That's where he realized, guys, that this thing is serious. That is why he decided to apologize to Casper Nyovest, guys. Here's Pradam 2 Sleep saying that he is apologizing to Casper Nyovest for whatever went down between them.
Everybody knows Casper
Yes.
and I. There was a
bit of
there was a rather unprofessional exchange of words. You know what I'm saying?
Recently,
Earlier this year.
But yeah.
Oh, yes.
And bro, as a genuine human being, I am a genuine human being, and I'll tell you that's where you see that it's really there. When he blocked me, I realized, to him it's real. I thought it was a joke.
Oh yeah.
Because I said something about Casper, he responded in comments, then I took things to the moon. You understand? And in my head, even before I responded, I sensed, what Casper said, and I said, it's not real, right? He was also like, nah, it's just banter. Then when I said what I said, I saw he blocked me. So when he blocked me, I realized that no, he's genuinely...
Quick question: did he ever private DM you?
No.
Never.
No.
Okay.
But the fact that he blocked, I could see that, someone has to annoy you for real for you to actually go block him. You understand? So I want to say sorry to Casper Nyovest, and I'll tell you why. Because, bro, I don't like inflicting pain on other people, and it's been weighing heavy on me, bro. Like, to tell you the truth, I even dreamt about him the other day. And remember the previous episode, I said dreams are a reflection of what's been on your mind. And I think for me it was those type of dreams. I had a dream about him. We met in town. It was a weird dream. We met in town. I went to greet him, and he just looked at me and ignored me. Then I really held him. I was like, hey, bro, I'm really, really sorry. Not from gimmicks, So yeah, and in my status, I basically did say I owe the guy an apology. It's been weighing heavy on me. And yeah, I just want to say sorry to Casper.
Salute We're you, human bro. beings. I
That thing,
salute you, bro.
that thing was wrong.
salute you, bro.
Yeah, so I
salute
genuinely
you,
want
bro.
to apologize.
Yeah.
That's what's not talking
Nah,
about.
salute
Charlie,
you, bro.
this was the quote that I was talking about from Pradam 2. That, things are slowly shifting. Now he's blushing now.
Yep, guys, that was Pradam 2 apologizing to Casper Nyovest, guys. Yes, I don't know what's your take on this one, guys. You can leave your comments down in the comment section, guys. I love to hear from you, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon in order to be the first person to know whenever I upload a new video here on this channel. Once again, thanks for watching this video. I'll see you on the next one.